model, 2014 Renault Trafic VIVARO Ll29 2.0 Dci 115 6-speed LING wheel-base 9-seater factory-fitted mini bus. Body, blue, minibus. Mileage, 204,327. MOT, 1 March 2024. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfectly, runs perfect. No warning lights on the dash, needs the gearbox replacing as it has no drive. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear seating area is very clean. Genuine well-maintained minibus. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.